The email autoresponder service allows you to create a simple message that will be sent automatically to everyone who sends you an email while you are out of the office, for example. You have a few ways to activate the autoresponder service for a selected mailbox. You can right-click on the desired mailbox and choose the autoresponder option from the context menu, or click on the autoresponder icon in the table. You can also activate autoresponder for multiple mailboxes at a time by selecting the boxes and clicking on the big autoresponder action button above the table. Whichever option you choose, you will get a new pop-up from where you can enter your custom auto reply message. The message will be formatted just as you type it in here, with all paragraphs and spaces. Once you are ready, click on the Create an auto reply message to set an auto reply message for this mailbox. Please note that this message will be sent as a reply to every email you receive to this mailbox. Also, it will be active right after you create it, so you should enable the autoresponder right before you go out of the office for a long period of time. If you want to deactivate the autoresponder message for a mailbox, simply delete the message. That's it. Now you know how to enable autoresponder for your emails.